Hello guys, in this video I will explain you about the selection tool and pen tool. Before getting inside the video, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get latest video. Table of content, selection tool, direct selection tool, group selection tool, pen tool, pencil tool, add answer point tool, delete answer point tool, curvature tool. Press Ctrl N to create new document as usual. Before getting started, first I need to clear you something important. This is called line or path, also called as line segment or path segment. This blue dot is called answer or node, also called as answer point or node point. Selection tool, keyboard shortcut V. This tool lets you select an object or a group of objects to move and resize. Direct selection tool, keyboard shortcut A. This tool lets you select an answer point and the path segment to reshape object. Group selection tool. This tool lets you select an object within a group or a group of objects within a parent group. Pen tool, keyboard shortcut P. This tool lets you to draw connected lines and curves with precision using answer point. Pencil tool, keyboard shortcut N. This tool lets you draw freehand path like drawing with pencil. Add answer point tool, keyboard shortcut plus. This tool lets you add the answer point on the path. Delete answer point tool, keyboard shortcut minus. This tool lets you remove the answer point from the path. Answer point tool, keyboard shortcut Shift plus C. This tool lets you convert from corner point to smooth answer point by adjust the direction handler if you need. Curvature tool, keyboard shortcut Shift plus tilde. This tool lets you draw and edit connected lines and curves easily using answer point. That's all.